Welcome to Car By Me with Cameron, where I give you tips to personalize any model to your taste.
Door edge guard. Why this is not standard on literally every vehicle, I have no idea, but it definitely should be. Have you ever opened your door up against a curb and you hear that horrible scraping sound, like across the pavement? You should have had a door edge guard. You probably wouldn't even notice it if you're looking at your car or looking at a car on the lot, but the door edge guard is this tiny little strip that's guarding the door that comes down the side here. Or if you have ever opened your door in a crowded parking lot, or your child has done this, you totally did this as a teenager and probably as an adult, and it dings into the car beside you, if you'd had a door edge guard, we would potentially not have that insurance claim. Door edge guard is completely affordable. You can buy it off Amazon or something like that if you've already bought your vehicle, but it's much better to buy it from the dealership so that you can just roll it into financing and they can install it for you, make sure it's done properly. Make sure your car has a door edge guard, and if it doesn't, you need one.